According to the 2024 US Bureau of Labor Statistics, 50% of small businesses will fail within their first 5 years. Now, this is kind of a blessing and a curse. Why do I say that? Well, it's a blessing in the fact that even if you are in a relatively competitive market, most of your competition will fail within the first 5 years. 65% will fail within the first 10 years because most of them don't have the frameworks and systems needed to be successful long term. So why is this a curse? Well, on the flip side of that, if you aren't doing anything drastically different from your competition, chances are you might fall into that group who will fail in that first 5 to 10 years. What do I mean? Well, take a look at your current advertising or social media posts, for example. Most likely you're doing what most businesses do, just doing generic ads to your products and services. Maybe you throw out a discounted price or a free offer of whatever service, and you say, hey, come to our website, come to our store, DM us, call us, text us, you name it. Well, here's the thing. If you can take any of your ads, any of your posts, remove your name from it, remove your business name from it, and put your competitor's logo on your ad, on your post, would anything really change? Would anyone even notice the difference? If the answer to that is no, then chances are you aren't doing anything drastically different from your competition. Now, here's the thing. Over the past decade, I've worked with a variety of small businesses to analyze and optimize their sales and marketing in order to generate exponential results for their businesses. In fact, I've looked at the strategies used by over 10,000 of the top businesses in more than 400 different industries to see what is working consistently regardless of the industry, the niche, the market that they're in. And what I did is I took it and created a framework in order to make it easier to implement for any small business. I call this my STAR funnel framework, and STAR being an acronym for systems, traffic, automation, and retention strategies. Now, the whole purpose of this account moving forward is to share these strategies with you, if you're a small business owner, so that you can take them and implement them to get better results and stop just following the trend of what your competition is doing so that you can stand out. Now, if you aren't able to wait for additional content to come out, I've actually created a free checklist that you can grab right now below this video in the description so that you can start taking action and implementing this framework for your own business. And if you know any other small business owners who could benefit from strategies to start getting better results from their sales and marketing efforts, share this video with them and make sure to like this video so that I know that you find it helpful, so that I know to keep creating additional content moving forward. And of course, if you have any questions or concerns about anything happening in your own business, make sure to post them below and I will get to them in my future content that I do release. In the meantime, I will talk to you soon.